So this is a little video about the HP Hexacore. It was working in terms of the light comes on when you plug it in. Light comes on, and it even has a charging indicator, but the button wasn't working. So I couldn't really figure out why it wasn't working, the button. So I watched a bunch of videos, and the electronics repair guy said you can short the first pin and the second pin together, then it will come on. So you're looking for, basically when it's plugged in, you're looking for 3 volts across ground and that pin. So I'll just throw this into ground, like this. And then test the first pin. It gives you 3 volts. Okay, so you're just going to short these two together. And then, yeah, turns on. Okay, so it's the first pin from the right, and then the second pin. When you short them together, you got them going. That's it.